Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T coming at you with another recipe. So today, listen up y'all, we about to make some famous ass spaghetti. Famous ass spaghetti.
I don't know how famous
It is. I love this spaghetti. I'm gonna let my husband do his thing. He makes awesome spaghetti. He hates when I say spaghettis. We about to make some spaghetti.
Well, she might be the only one that thinks that.
Whatever. Anyway, so babe, you gonna let everybody know what all do we have right here?
All right, we got some spaghetti stuff. All right, let me see. We got the hamburger, mild Italian sausages. You can put that in there or not. I like it like that. Anyway, moving on. You got your spices, your oregano. That sounds soon, boy. I put that shit on there.
I try to tell him.
You got your Italian seasoning, your parsley, black pepper, little basil. Now, again, these ingredients are optional, but if you're gonna make some good spaghetti, you might as well go all out and make it, right? So you got your diced tomatoes. I only use the Prego because that other stuff be running. I don't like no watery spaghetti. It's all should be thick. Now, you got your chopped up vegetables. I don't like to spend all that kind of time in the kitchen chopping up no vegetables, so this is kind of convenient for me. You go to the store and get these already ready chopped tomatoes and green peppers, onions, and celery. You want some spaghetti to have some texture to it. And obviously you got your baby bellum sliced mushrooms. I like mushrooms. Wife don't care for them too much, but you know, it's one of those things, you can always pick those out.
That's what I do.
But it gives a little flavor to it.
And the star.
And then you got your spaghetti, who's supposed to be the main attraction of the dish, right? Spaghetti. I ain't, all about any particular brand of spaghetti. Just try to stay away from that angel hair, because that angel hair cooks real fast because it's so thin. One time I messed up some spaghetti. I cooked this spaghetti like 4 or 5 times, 4 or 5 pots. Come to realize, I got damn angel hair. It's a regular spaghetti. But anyway, so that's what you got. You got all your ingredients and everything. So we're about to get ready to get this thing on the road. Alright, so we're about to start preparing the actual meat. We're going to put the stuff in there, all the ingredients. And y'all just pay attention how to do this. But so we got the hamburger, right? And we're going to add to the hamburger some of the seasoning. So I'm going to start with this here Sassoon. Now, depending on how many people you cooking for, that's going to determine how much seasoning you're going to need, especially Sassoon. Right now, I'm just cooking for 2 people, so I'm going to add a little bit of this Sassoon in there. Right now, I'm just only adding in 3 packs. I know, some of y'all probably talking about like, damn, that's a lot. Don't worry about all that. So I'm going to add that Sassoon in there and just let it sit there and marinate. So then I'm going to take some of this here celery. So I got a bunch of celery.
Is it just celery in your day?
Right now, this is just celery. I'm gonna add the celery. Now, I like the celery because it gives it texture. Give your food something, give your mouth something to be like, "Ooh, what was that?" And you just chew on that a little bit. And right now, see, we got this what do you call it? Tomatoes, diced peppers, some onions in there, because you gotta have all that. You got that different textures. And all of this is gonna cook down. It's gonna get a little softer, but you don't want to overdo it. I like a lot of celery and all that. And we actually got a couple packs of these, right? You don't want that. If you cook this shit with this in there here, then it's probably not gonna come out good. So don't put that in there. And that's a lot. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of this because I like to eyeball it.
Eyeball it, babe.
My wife say eyeball it. So right now we got the Sassoon, we got the onions, we got the peppers, and all of that in there. Now I'm gonna take me a handful of them of that mushroom. Now, people measure and all that stuff, and that's all good. It's all good. You can measure as much as you want. Me, I like to get in there, cook, get out of there, and be good with it. So I got all the mushrooms in there.
So how did you cut them? Did you just dice them?
So the mushrooms, I just diced them all up. The same way you're gonna dice up the celery and the green peppers and all that stuff. Now, I showed y'all some pre-packaged, pre-diced up stuff, which usually is a little bit more expensive because somebody else is doing the work in terms of cutting it all up. You can go to the store and get you a whole green pepper, whatever vegetables and all that stuff and dice it up at home yourself, which is fine. So now I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. Because I still got some more seasoning stuff I want to put in there. So right now I just want to get it down so that my seasonings find their way to the meat a little bit quicker. It looked like a big bowl of stuff so far. Simple enough. But boy, the aroma that this thing gonna put off in your house, you're gonna be hungry before the food is already done. You'll be lucky if you have enough food on the plate or on the dish to feed people, because you'd be taste testing it so damn much because it smells so good.
It does. It really does. Man. I love the way the celery smells.
Man, my wife got a story behind this spaghetti that I have y'all tickled.
So, come on, now, you can't eyeball it. I'm trying to measure stuff.
Here's what I'm gonna do. My wife is a stickler about, measuring everything out so that y'all can see it. So I'm about to add some basil to it. I already told you the ingredients: basil, black pepper, parsley, and all that stuff. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of basil to it. Now what I got here is a tablespoon. All right, it's a tablespoon, but I'm gonna put way more than a tablespoon in there. That's a tablespoon. I can sit here and tell you, I'm gonna add about 4 of these. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that. I'm putting my hand on it, right? See all that? Yeah. I got me a nice fish food.
That's about another tablespoon.
That's about another tablespoon? All right, so that was my basil. My black pepper, I don't go crazy with the black pepper. So we're gonna add pretty much maybe 2 of these. Now this is where I get careful.
Well, you know I love spicy food, babe.
I don't need to be that spicy. I'm getting older. I don't need to be sitting here sweating before eating this food and feel like the food kicking my ass. So now I got some parsley. Same thing. You got your couple tablespoons of parsley, but I'm gonna go ahead, add that out there like that. Look at that. Yeah. I got me a fistful of that.
Fistful?
And another fistful, because I like that parsley. It's adding up, this shit. This shit is looking like a forest out here. Same thing with the Italians.
Gosh.
So I got me a fistful of Italian. Look at that. A fistful. Go on and sprinkle it in there. Give me another one. This is spaghetti. So I got me 2 fistfuls of Italian seasoning. I'm put my basil in there, black pepper, parsley, all of that. So now all you need to do is mix it up, right? So you get me all up in there with that. Just mix it up. Make sure that every cranny of your hamburger is filled with the seasoning. So you mix it up nice and good. Squeeze it. Choke it. Choke the hamburger. Okay. You gonna put it in there like that. Yeah.
You're choking.
All right, she gonna hand some of my So see how it's getting all up in there? You want that every inch of the hamburger meat to be saturated with all your seasonings. See, it looks nice and thick. Oh my goodness, boy, when you put this on that thing on fire, your whole house in the aroma. Ain't nobody gonna be sitting up in their house not wanting some of this.
Yeah, it is really good.
So I got that mushrooms in there. See how it's all coming together? And you got it nice and mixed up. So you gotta put your hands on it. Like, don't make me put the hands on it. Go on, put your hands on it. Alright, so I got it all mixed up, right? I made a little bit of a mess everywhere. But anyway, so right now, that was just showing y'all how to season the meat, get it prepped. Because the next step we're gonna do is look over here at these Italian sausages. We're gonna put them Italian sausages on the. We're just gonna boil them right on top of the stove. We're gonna put those on, let them cook. They're gonna need some time to cook. So after that, we'll be right back. Show you how to do that. All right, folks. So when I left y'all last, I was putting all that stuff over there in the pan. So now, you had to put your sausages on. So I got my sausages already cooked, right? I'm only gonna use 3 for this here, because it's only me and Babe. We're gonna put those in there. So we got the sausages. I got my water ready for my spaghetti. So I'm gonna start my meat But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the spaghetti in the pan. In the pot, because it take a little bit for the spaghetti. Now I'll put some butter in the water for the spaghetti, because you don't want your spaghetti sticking together and shit. I said shit. Bullshit. Anyway, you don't want your spaghetti sticking together. And so a little trick that I learned, I don't remember where I learned it, but put some butter in there. Put the butter in the water with the pot. Oh shit. Anyway, don't worry about all that.
Oh,
so I got all this spaghetti all over the goddamn place. Anyway, and that's why you don't drink Hennessy while you're trying to cook. You fuck around and have that spaghetti in.
Oh, dang.
Don't worry about all that. So it's alright, so you put your spaghetti in the pot and try not to break this stuff up all over the place. So I got that spaghetti in there, right? Let me see how much spaghetti I actually got in there. Okay, I got a little bit of spaghetti in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I don't know why I like this spaghetti.
It is good though. Normally when he cooks this, it's not all over the place.
If I mess it up, boy, shit won't have a fit. So anyway, I got my spaghetti started. So now I'm about to start the meat. So we already pre-seasoned the meat and got it all cooked up right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it off in this here pot. Yeah. Put that meat off in there. Right there. Get it in there. You know how it is. So I got my. So right now I got the eye on like 7. Go ahead and let that cook down. So I got my meat in the pot. Get it nice and cooked up. I got my sausages over there with spaghetti sticking out. Anyway. So we're gonna get that meat and we're gonna let that meat sear and cook nice and good. Spaghetti is on. Let that start boiling. So once this get ready, I'll show y'all what to add to it next. You know, this worked for me. Cause this spaghetti right here, woo! My wife was good, man. She was like, you know what? You can make some mean spaghetti.
You can.
I can ride with you.
You can.
And she been riding with me for 18 years.
Yes. 18 years.
18 years. Whoever, man, if somebody would have told me, bro, all you gotta do is know how to make some good spaghetti, and you get you a good woman like that, woo! I'd have been cooking spaghetti at 9.
You're so silly.
Anyway. Y'all stay tuned. All right, folks. The spaghetti sauce is ready.
Oh, it looks good, man.
See the bubbling right there?
Woohoo.
Boom! There it is. All right, so we got that spaghetti sauce ready. Nice plate of spaghetti right there. Nice and buttered up so it don't stick together. Remember I told you I put that little butter in the water right there? So your spaghetti don't be sticking together. So all right, go ahead. Put some spaghetti on there, or sauce on there. Put that sauce on there. Yeah. You got yourself a nice plate of spaghetti. Now, don't nothing go better with spaghetti than a little garlic, right? So we got this garlic bread over here for you. Yeah. You pop a couple of those in the oven right there.
What's on the top, babe?
We got some oregano on there. We got some mozzarella cheese, which is my favorite cheese. Gotta have that mozzarella. Yeah, my baby want that right now. Get yourself some mozzarella, garlic toast.
Oh, babe, that looks so good. It does. It looks good.
Hey, I ain't got too many dishes I know how to cook. But this is the one that I know how to cook.
Let me bring it over there.
Right there.
Oh, gosh, yes. Oh, my gosh. I can't wait to get that. Okay, I'm about to pause.
All right, people.
I'm about to taste some of this. Babe, I'm about to taste this. Oh, my gosh. Let me try it. It looks so good. It does. It does. I'll burn my damn mouth. Let me see. Let me see if you still got it. Let me see. Use this as a vehicle. Let me see.
Hey, it is really good. It is. It's good.
You want that?
Yes, babe. I swear to goodness, on everything, it's good. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
I swear to y'all, we had some fun. See, that's the thing though. You gotta have fun in the kitchen. Have fun when you're cooking your food. It's gonna come out good. Hell, even if it don't, have fun. But thank you guys for watching. As always, stay blessed. It's Just Tea.